Hi everyone, I'm just here at 44 Harboard Road in Freshwater. It's a brand new listing we have, 4-bedroom house in the heart of Freshie. This is the front of the house. There is a few ways in. Beautiful leafy front yard, fully secure. So great for families because the kids can run around here and be completely safe. Through these stairs takes you through to the front room. Family living, smart TV, nice big couch. There's a reverse cycle aircon in here. The property is pretty self-regulated in terms of temperature, especially this time of the year. This is a 2-story home, so most of the bedrooms actually are situated upstairs. So as we head up this beautiful wooden staircase, we come to a little corridor. On your right, a linen cabinet, great for storage. And then through to the family bathroom. This is a great sized bathroom, double vanity, and a huge shower with a double shower head. Again, storage behind here. And then we can either head left or right. Right will take you through to a single bedroom installed with beautiful block-out blinds for those days that we want to sleep in. Great nice outlook onto the park next door. And a built-in wardrobe, mirrored. And then through here we have a sliding door if we want to keep this private. Otherwise it is a beautiful walk-in robe. So this is fully emptied for guest use. These curtains act as a privacy measure, you know, for the days that you might not want to fold. We just pull this across. Great for when you have guests as well, if you want to separate their space with yours. But this is a huge built-in walk-in wardrobe, adequate drawer and hanging space. And then it takes us through to the generous sized master, big king bed. It's nice and neutral palette in here, which is great when you're renting. Add a bit of carrot to yourself, but not feeling like you're in someone else's home. And then this looks out onto the beautiful backyard. Can watch the kids play. Very private jungle backyard, I like to call it. And again, this bedroom has beautiful block-out blinds. The most important thing to note about upstairs is the integrated cooling system. It does get warm up on this level, like all 2-bedroom homes. So that system is available for use up here for those warmer nights. I believe it is heating and cooling, reverse cycle, so that is also great. We're about a 3 or 4 minute walk into Freshie Village here, so location is prime. This is bedroom 3. Quite a versatile room. As you can see, this is a converted day bed into a king size. Ceiling fan. Plenty of windows, natural light, and a wardrobe there. That bed can be folded up and that room turned into a study if need be. Family bathroom. Nice and big, with an adult sized bath. Toilet and vanity, and then round to your right here is a little rumpus room / bedroom. So again, that is a sofa bed that turns into a queen, but at the moment it's been used as a TV room for the kids. Plenty of toys, great for families, but also great for guests. This room has direct access onto the patio through a sliding door. Through into the kitchen. This is where the floor plan opens up. Nice large kitchen, plenty of storage. This property is available fully furnished. Again, another aircon in there. And it is very well stocked. Electric cooking, some beautiful pendant lights and new appliances. Utilities, internet is all hooked up, ready to go. This property is available now for short and longer term stays. Through here is a completely separate, very large, generously sized laundry with an extra sink and plenty of storage. And then these bifold doors take you out onto the patio, al fresco area. There's 2 living spaces, accompanied by outdoor fans. Great for entertaining. Again, fully secure and closed off. So great for kids. Huge grassy backyard. And down in the corner there is a space for drying clothes. Beautiful barbecue here to the right. And there we have it. Plenty of parking on the street, but there is a designated car space as well. 44 Harbord Road. Please inquire if you're interested.